this is another new year. We have jumped over, and I believe that all of you enjoyed your Christmas. And I can come and tell you that if you are listening to me, wherever you are listening to me, whether you are in Australia, you are in UK, you are in Kenya, it is grace that has made you to be here today, and we must start celebrating the new year. As you make the new year resolution this year, I want you to just reflect and see the many challenges that you had last year and the many graces that you also enjoyed last year, the many things that we had to deal with, the drug abuse, the substance abuse. We had people going to the rehabilitation. You did a tremendous job because you are with me as I walked with those young people. Our men who have changed, they were transformed, and we have a reason to thank God as we close to 2024. And 2024 resolution should be a time when we celebrate the goodness of God. We thank God for what He did last year, and we look forward to a great year where you and your family will be prospered, where you'll be uplifted, where you'll be restored. It is my prayer that you will make the right resolution. I look at you and I see a great future for you, for your family, for your ministry, and even this country. We are going to another level. You remember many people were saying last year that our economy are going to crash and all that, and God came through for us. We went through drought, we still got rain by prayer. And so we have enjoyed grace last year. 2024 is going to be a better year. I feel in the spirit, the vibration that are in the heavens is that this year is going to be one of the best years that you have ever seen. Many will get employment. So those ones who saw doom, I'm talking to a new year with grace, a new year with prosperity, a new year with transformation. We are looking forward to a boy child that is transformed, a girl child will be happy, and I'm looking to a year where this country will go to the next level that God wants us to go, a sober nation. 2024 is going to be a year of prosperity, a year where you are going to see transformation and change, and I believe that every family, every person in this country and beyond, you are going to see that what God is doing. And I wish you a happy 2024.
Pastor Dorcas Rigathi, Mama Boys, for a dignified future.